Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Air introduced two new Quickshot modes, Asteroid and Boomerang. Let's take a look at them, coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI on the Mavic Air introduced two new Quickshot modes, Asteroid and Boomerang. So without further ado, let's take a look at them, see how it went. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do one of the new Quickshot modes called Asteroid. So let's get the party started here.
Take off. The home point has been invaded. Please check it out.
Okay, Mavic Air is up in the air. Going to enter Quickshot mode. Enter Asteroid. Get the camera pointed at me. So we have the subject.
3, 2, 1.
And we have liftoff for Asteroid here, folks. I'm guessing it goes to a height of about maybe 100, 150 feet here. Yeah, it's probably about 100, 150 feet here. And then what it does is it starts taking pictures up there to form the 360 that you've seen. It's just incredible. Of course, as it does it, looking at my screen capture, it's rotating around to do the 360. That's going to make a very interesting portrait when it comes back, when it gets time to look at it in the SD card. That's something I'm anxious to take a look at. And it does take a few seconds to do this here. And I'm looking on the screen, it's rotating around, taking pictures, rotating around, taking pictures. Then when it's done, it will come back, pretty much come back to home, and I end up manually landing it. So I think we're at that point. I think it's coming back here. Step out of the sun so I can see it. And it's recording and coming back in. And we're gonna land it now. Okay, there we go. We had a successful asteroid there, folks. Okay, the other Quickshot mode that is new this time around is Boomerang. So let's get this show on the road here.
Take off.
Of course, it always helps in these to get yourself in the center of things, of course. Not a problem with my side. Anyway, here. Go ahead and enter Quickshot mode. Kind of going to hold off a second until we have an aircraft in the area. I'm going to kind of wait on that. And I think he's gone, so we're going to go ahead and do Boomerang here. Altitude. Three, two, one. And there we go. Although and it is going around the house here, folks. This is very interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. And it's done, so we're going to go ahead and get it to land. And that's it for Boomerang mode. Wow. Again, I am unbelievably impressed. Quickshots were a learning curve with the Spark with me. With the Mavic Air, it's just like it's seamless. It just worked right away. A lot of kudos to DJI for improving the software. Absolutely fantastic. Could not have asked for better. This was just absolutely fantastic. So a big shout out to DJI for that. Also, again, to Florida Drone Supply and Janelle. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity to put the Mavic Air through its paces. Again, we are so grateful for that. And if you live in the state of Florida, you need anything DJI drone related, please make sure to check them out on the web. The address, of course, will be in their web address will be in the description. Links to it, of course. If you haven't subscribed to Bill the Drone Reviewer, please do so and tell others about our channel, and make sure you hit that like button. We've just recently passed 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. We're growing by leaps and bounds. It's incredible. Please make sure you pass this on. Also, make sure to check out the Facebook page where I do post daily updates on anything drone related, and of course anything DJI will go there as well. And also my blog where I post all these videos so people can get notified that new videos are out there. Thanks a lot for watching, and happy flying.